Are you tired of spending a small fortune on tax preparation each year? Well then, here's some fantastic news. The IRS has just extended their free file program through 2029. This is your guide to understanding how the program works, who qualifies, and how you can start using it right away. You'll find out how to access free tax preparation services and file your returns without any cost. So, you might not know this, but the Free File program is a partnership between the IRS and several tax software companies. These companies offer their tax preparation and filing software for free to eligible taxpayers. Yes, you heard that right, free. This extension means you can continue to use these services at no cost for the next 5 years. Now, let's break it down. The Free File program is only available on irs.gov. So, if you qualify, you can access these online tax software products directly from the IRS website. This year alone, about 2.9 million tax returns were filed through Free File, which is a 7.3% increase from last year. That's a lot of people saving money on tax prep. And then, you might be wondering if you qualify for this program. Well, if your adjusted gross income, or AGI, is $79,000 or less, you're in luck. You can use one of the 8 different Free File partners to file your taxes for free. These partners include well-known names like TaxAct, TaxSlayer, and Free Tax USA. Even if your AGI is above $79,000, you can still use the IRS's Free File fiable forms to file your federal taxes for free. And here's something you might not have heard about. This year, the IRS also introduced a direct file pilot program. For the first time, taxpayers in 12 states could file their federal tax returns directly with the IRS. Over 140,000 people use this new service. It's part of the IRS's effort to make tax filing even more accessible and user-friendly. So then, why should you care about the Free File program? First, it saves you money. Tax software can be expensive, but with Free File, you can get the same services for free if you qualify. Second, it's convenient. You can do everything online from the comfort of your home. No need to visit a tax preparer or spend money on software. Another thing to consider is the additional support available through the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, or VITA, and Tax Counseling for the Elderly, or TCE, programs. These programs also saw an increase in activity this year, with 2.6 million returns prepared for free. That's 200,000 more than last year. If you qualify, you can get free, in-person help with your taxes. What's more, the extension of the Free File program through 2029 gives both taxpayers and the private sector partners some much-needed certainty. The Chief of IRS Taxpayer Services mentioned that this extension will help with future planning for these partners. This means you can expect a reliable and consistent service for years to come. And next, let's talk about the eligibility criteria a bit more. As I mentioned earlier, the main requirement is your adjusted gross income. But it's also worth noting that some Free File partners might have additional eligibility requirements based on factors like age or state of residence. So, it's a good idea to check the specific criteria of each partner to see which one is the best fit for you. After that, once you've determined your eligibility, the next step is simple. Go to irs.gov and look for the Free File program. There, you'll find links to all the participating tax software providers. Choose the one that suits you best, create an account, and start filing your taxes. The software will guide you through the process step by step, making it straightforward and hassle-free. Now, let's discuss some of the benefits you might not be aware of. Using the Free File program can also help you avoid some common mistakes that people make when filing taxes on their own. The software is designed to catch errors and ensure that you're claiming all the deductions and credits you're entitled to. This can be especially helpful if you have a complex tax situation. Well, another great thing about Free File is that it's available even if you're filing for an extension. If you need more time to complete your tax return, you can use Free File to request an extension and file your return by the October 15th deadline. This gives you extra time to gather all your documents and make sure everything is correct. And if you're worried about security, rest assured that the Free File program is safe and secure. The IRS partners with reputable tax software companies that use encryption and other security measures to protect your personal information. You can file your taxes with confidence, knowing that your data is secure. Speaking of which, let's not forget the impact this extension has on taxpayers and the broader community. By making tax preparation more accessible and affordable, the IRS is helping millions of Americans keep more of their hard-earned money. This is especially important for low and moderate-income households who can benefit greatly from the savings and support provided by the Free File program. Besides, the extension of the Free File program is part of the IRS's broader strategy to improve the tax filing experience for everyone. This includes ongoing efforts to modernize their systems, enhance customer service, and provide more resources and tools to help taxpayers. By extending the Free File program, the IRS is reaffirming its commitment to making tax filing easier and more affordable. Hey, I know tax season can be stressful, but programs like Free File are here to make it easier. If you haven't tried it before, I highly recommend checking it out. It's a great way to save money and simplify the tax filing process. And remember, it's available through 2029, so you can take advantage of it for years to come. Now, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. There are a lot of people who could benefit from knowing about the Free File program. The more people who use it, the more we all save. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.